Some big news coming in. Rajasthan's Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot now accuses the BJP of poaching. Says amid pandemic, BJP is shamelessly offering money and trying to poach Congress MLAs. FIR has been registered against two BJP leaders who were arrested by the Rajasthan police over charges of destabilizing the Gehlot government. Some harsh allegations on the BJP of trying to poach amid the pandemic. Here is our Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, accusing the BJP of poaching its MLAs. And he says, amid the pandemic, BJP is shamelessly offering money and trying to poach Congress MLAs. FIR now has been registered against two BJP leaders who were arrested by the Rajasthan police over charges of destabilizing Gehlot's government.
बीजेपी के नेताओं ने तो मानवता और इंसानियत की सारी हदें पार तोड़ दी है। क्योंकि एक तरफ तो हम जीवन और आजीविका बचाने में लगे हुए हैं और दूसरी तरफ ये लोग सरकार गिराने में लगे हुए हैं। मुझे व मेरे साथियों को, मेरे मंत्रिमंडल के साथी हैं, विधायक हैं, कांग्रेस के नेता हैं, सबको सरकार बचाने के लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ता है। और ये लोग सरकार कैसे घिरे, किस प्रकार से तोड़फोड़ करे, खरीद फरोख्त करे, ये तमाम काम में लगे हुए हैं।
Now, let's take a quick listen. The BJP has also slammed Ashok Gehlot, says that they are not capable of ruling Rajasthan in the first place. Let's take a listen.
राजस्थान में एक मजाक का केंद्र बन गई है सरकार। कभी मुख्यमंत्री जी मनगढ़ंत कहानियां बनाते हैं, कभी 35 करोड़ रुपए में विधायक खरीदने की बात करते हैं, कभी इनके नेता जाकर खुद ही अपनी FIR दर्ज करवा देते हैं, कभी एसओजी खुद ही रिपोर्ट दर्ज कर लेती है और कहीं न कहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झूठा नाम लगाया जाता है। मैं कहूंगा यदि कांग्रेस पार्टी शासन नहीं कर सकती, जनता का भला नहीं कर सकती और राज चलाने में नाकाम हो गए हैं तो इस्तीफा दें। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सुशासन देगी राजस्थान में।
Well, here we're looking at some serious allegations. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot now accusing the BJP of poaching its MLAs during the pandemic. Remember, cases of coronavirus across the country are only on the rise. We're looking at cases surpassing 8 lakh mark. And yet, we're looking at politics playing in some of the states. Rajasthan Chief Minister now accusing that BJP is trying to poach amid this pandemic. And two leaders have also been pulled up. Two BJP leaders have been arrested on charges of destabilizing the government. Ashok Gehlot says an FIR also has been registered on charges of toppling the Gehlot government on the BJP leaders. Here, it seems like some serious political twists and turns in Rajasthan already quite imminent. Here, we're looking at Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, making some allegations serious in nature, saying that this is a pandemic, but instead of focusing on the rising number of cases, he accuses the BJP of poaching MLAs. We have Archana Sharma, Congress MLA from Rajasthan, joining us. Ms. Archana, these allegations that BJP leaders are trying to destabilize Ashok Gehlot's government, how true are they? What really prompts you to arrest those two leaders? Has there been any proof as such?
See, whatever action SOG is taking is based on all the proof that SOG has collected through all these days. And it is true that in Rajya Sabha elections and after that also, many people belonging to BJP, or you can say along with miscreants, were indulged in poaching MLAs, and that has been proved. And in a few days, SOG will declare all the fraud that has been done in this matter.
Right. Archana, here we're looking at an FIR also that's been filed. Any significant damage that these BJP leaders have done? Now, poaching is an allegation that can't really come down to being proven. Here, are they trying to lure Congress MLAs in Rajasthan? Has there been any proof of money transaction, any of that?
See, all the evidences are with the probe agencies and they will prove it. And I think after a few hours, there is going to be a PC of SOGs, so far as we have come to know about that. After that, it will be all clear.
Well, but for now, Ashok Gehlot. Right, Archana, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Here we have a Congress spokesperson there, Congress leader of Rajasthan, very clearly saying that the Rajasthan government is firm and they've decided that these two leaders will be pulled up. BJP leaders, two of them have been arrested in Rajasthan for allegedly trying to destabilize the government as per the Gehlot government, as per Gehlot's statement itself, that BJP trying to poach their MLAs amid this pandemic. Seems like Gehlot putting a tough fight. Let's quickly cut across to Devankur joining us live for more details. Dev, Ashok Gehlot now making some startling allegations, not against the BJP leaders. Not surprising for him to say something like that. Here he says, he said it in the past as well. This comes around yet again. He makes the same allegation that BJP is trying to poach our MLAs. It's almost become a rhetoric that the Congress party in Rajasthan has been indulging in. But nonetheless, this time they've taken a more serious stance by arresting two BJP leaders there under allegations of trying to destabilize the Rajasthan government. It's quite serious in nature this time around, with two FIRs also being filed against them. What kind of proof do they have for an arrest and an FIR? What's really the content of that FIR?
Well, even though the Rajasthan Chief Minister and the state government has alleged several times in the past that the BJP had been trying to poach its MLAs, but this time round, it clearly seems that the intent is there. The Rajasthan Special Operations Group, which falls directly under the Home Department, which is with the Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, has registered an FIR, and not just an FIR has been registered, but two BJP leaders, one from Udaipur and another from Biawar in Rajasthan, have been taken into custody. And these people are put into interrogation. The charges that have been leveled in the FIR are of 124B and 120A, which pertains to sedition. The allegation is that they were trying to destabilize or overthrow a democratically elected government. And the Rajasthan Chief Minister a few minutes back today held a video conference with journalists in which he hit out extremely hard at the BJP, terming BJP leaders as shameless, mentioning that they had tried to engineer defections. In fact, they had taken away 7 MLAs in Gujarat, because of which they won 2 seats. He also mentioned that they tried the same thing in Rajasthan as well, but their motives were nullified. They were negated, and the Congress had managed to win 2 seats in the Rajya Sabha elections. But despite that, the BJP continues to try to engineer defections, tries to overthrow a democratically elected government, and he tried to link this with the ongoing corona pandemic, mentioning that during the pandemic, the Rajasthan Chief Minister had been trying to take everyone together in the fight against this pandemic. But what the BJP has been trying to do is to try to destabilize or overthrow a democratically elected government. You know, earlier last month, when the Rajya Sabha elections were about to happen, several were saying that this is internal politics, that Gehlot is trying to cement his own position. But now, when the Rajya Sabha elections are over and done with, it seems that Gehlot, there is internal politics, because if you go through the FIR, it mentions the Deputy Chief Minister also. The FIR mentions that the basis of the FIR has been a call recording or a phone conversation in which 2 people were heard saying that the BJP wants its own government and the Deputy CM can be made a minister at the center, but the Deputy CM wants himself to be the Chief Minister. And there are several other references which clearly indicate that there can be a lot of politics, as well as perhaps some proof that the Congress claims that it has of an attempt to overthrow its democratically elected government.
Devankur, thank you very much. It's absolutely shameful if it is the fact that here politics playing out amid the pandemic. We're looking at cases on the rise. The focus should be to contain the spread of coronavirus. But here it seems like while everyone's attention is on that, there seems to be some ugly politics brewing in Rajasthan.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.